Hey everyone, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. You probably found this video by typing in, is it easy to replace a bathtub drain, or how to replace a bathtub drain? Well, it is easy. Hopefully it's going to be easy. Maybe you got an old tub and it's never been changed. It could be difficult. I'm going to show you how you can do it. This is the bathtub drain we're going to be replacing. As you can tell, it's been here a while and it has to come out. So first of all, we have to remove the stopper. Okay, the tools you're going to need to remove your bathtub drain is, well, you're going to need this tool here first. This is for the drain to get it out. You're going to need some plumber's putty. Going to need a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pliers. You're going to need this Phillips screwdriver to remove the old pop-up drain. And we also have our new pop-up drain assembly here. To remove the old drain stopper, there's a set screw under here. You have to lift this up. And using your Phillips screwdriver, loosen the set screw, and that'll loosen it right off of this shaft right here, and it comes loose, and that's off. Okay, now we're going to remove this center post. So we're just going to put our pliers down on there like this and give it a turn. Turn left to loosen it. And it should just come out easily like this. Okay, now we're going to take our drain removal tool and we're going to use this end. We're going to put that down there like that. We'll grab our pliers and give it a turn. Now we can take our screwdriver, put it in the top of this tool, like this. Try not to scratch our tub. And there we go, the old drain is out. This one's mucked up pretty good with hair and soap, so I got some cleaning to do. I'm going to clean all the outer rim here really good, clean the threads in here, and we'll put our new pop-up drain assembly in there. All right, now I have the drain hole cleaned out. I pretty much cleaned out everything I could. There's all kinds of hair and soap in there. And there was sticky stuff here, around here, and I cleaned all that up. That was probably old putty. So I just took some Goo Gone and put it on a paper towel, and it came off really good. So now we have a nice clean surface for our new putty. So we're gonna get to that right now. Okay, this is our new pop-up drain plug. That's how it works. Push it down. This rubber seal sticks to the opening here and holds the water. And then when you want to release the water down the drain, pop it up again. So you have a rubber here. You take this off because this would normally go on the underside of the tub. So you're putting in a new tub and it would go on under here on the underside. So we won't need it. So what we're going to do is put the pop-up drain here like this. Actually, we're going to unscrew this. We're going to take this part off and we just have our drain. We're going to leave it like this. And then we're going to take our plumber's putty. We're going to take some of it out. And it's just like Play-Doh. So you're just going to work it. Okay, so basically I just went like this between my hands. Made a bead out of it. And we're going to put it around the base of this underside of this drain, and we're just going to break off a piece like that. That's all you need, just like that. All right, now we're going to take our drain, we're going to put it down in the hole here, and we're going to thread it in to the pipe. There we go. So we're just going to thread it in there, and as we tighten this drain up, our putty, plumber's putty, is going to squeeze up and out, and that's okay. So now we'll take our tool and we're going to turn it in, tighten it up more. You can see the putty starting to come out. And the putty is going to be what seals around your drain here so that no water seeps down past there and leaks down in below and leaks into your lower floor. So there, you can take the tool out and you can break away this putty now. Now we're going to put our tool back in here and we're going to tighten this up more. Now we're pretty tight. We'll just make sure it's good and snug now. I think that's more than tight enough. And I'll just clean up the rest of the plumber's putty here. So there we go. Our drain looks really good now. And then we're just going to take our pop-up stopper drain plug here. We're going to thread it in. And snug it up. Now let's give it a test. We put some water in here. And if we see any bubbles coming up around here, that means we have a leak. There's water sitting in there, it's holding water, and there is no bubbles. So our plumber's putty seal worked really good. And then we'll just drain the water out. So that's how you replace a new bathtub drain. I'm gonna leave some links down in the description below this video for the pop-up drain that I used, plumber's putty, and also the wrench that I used to take out the old drain. I wanna thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.